Hi, everyone. This is Jessica VanderKolk, Communications Manager for the City of Battle Creek, and Lucy Blair, Communications Manager for Calhoun County. And together we are the Public Information Officers coming at you during the COVID-19 pandemic response. And we are here again today to go through our Joint Information Center update that was sent out yesterday. We're coming to you on Friday, September 25th with our update. And so we want to share this information with you in video form. And as you see the video, we'll link to the text as well, so you can get to all the URLs we talk about. So let's get started. So as of yesterday at noon, that was September 24th, in Calhoun County, we have a cumulative total of 1,148 confirmed cases of COVID-19. And those are reported to the Calhoun County Public Health Department, with a total of 44 deaths that are attributed to the virus. You can find this information updated daily, Monday through Friday, at the county's website. That's calhouncountymI.gov. So from the dates of September 8th to 14th, the 7-day average test positivity rate was 3%. This is one of the data points that we look at. In the last week, September 15th to 21st, that average test positivity rate was 2.8%. So it has dropped slightly. The Public Health Department continues to investigate outbreaks that are associated with various workplace exposures and family gatherings, specifically weddings. And a COVID-19 outbreak is defined as 2 or more cases, just 2 or more, with a link by place and time that indicates a shared exposure outside of a household. Over the course of the last 2 weeks, roughly 15% of new cases in Calhoun County have been associated with outbreaks that originated in our county. So Kelly Scott, our Calhoun County Administrator and Controller, and a member of our Joint Operations Center Unified Command Team, wants to remind everybody that while we know it's difficult to keep distance from family and friends who don't live with you, it's really important to avoid indoor family gatherings. It is critical to helping stop the spread of COVID-19. And family gatherings in Calhoun County have resulted in an increased number of positive cases. So we want to remind you that gathering guidance, especially with fall and winter holidays around the corner, is really important. And we've got some resources to share with you about that. Using information from the state of Michigan executive orders that are in place right now, as well as guidance from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, we have created a graphic and a video for you to look at and share. And I'm going to try to show those to you right now. Okay, so this is the graphic. And it reminds you that indoor gatherings should be no more than 10 people. Outdoor gatherings should be no more than 100 people. So that's really important to remember. And then, I'll get back to that one in a minute. But the video we're going to share with you is linked in the text, of course. And it's on the City of Battle Creek, Michigan YouTube channel, and just talks more about keeping your distance. So we hope that you will check that out as well. So another thing that we wanted to share with everybody is there is a CDC document about how to help prevent the spread of the virus when you do live with extended family. We know there are folks that live in those situations with additional family members, and we've got that in English, Burmese, and Spanish. Those are all on the City of Battle Creek website, battlecreekmi.gov/coronavirus, and you'll find the links to those in the appropriate language tabs. And they're also linked in the text of the update that we're sharing with you today. So I hope you'll go check those out, especially if you do live with your extended family.
In this week's Joint Information Center update, we also provided a reminder about state resources. Testing for COVID-19 is available countywide in each city, sometimes requiring a doctor's order or an appointment. To find testing near you and a list of requirements for that site, the best place to search is on the state's test site lookup. By visiting michigan.gov/COVID-19, one of the first links provided is Find a Test Site. For each test site option, this resource lists its location, whether an appointment is required, its cost and test requirement, and guidelines to follow before going. The state also provides the Michigan Safe Start Map and Dashboard. This is a regularly referenced tool that the state provides for understanding COVID-19 exposure in our community and how it has changed. The Michigan Safe Start site map looks different recently, and so we wanted to kind of bring attention to that because there's different color coding, but ultimately it still provides the same crucial information about epidemic spread and public health capacity. We recommend this site to find the percent positivity rate in our county, but also statewide, as well as seeing how daily cases per million and daily tests administered are going. This dashboard can be found at mistartmap.info and provides filters to narrow the results to just our region or the county as just our county. The state reports that the color scheme and names for risk levels were changed to reduce confusion with the state's economic recovery phases. The state also adjusted to a higher threshold for cases to match thresholds measured by national systems.
We also have a homeless shelter update for you out of Battle Creek. There is a new Battle Creek homeless shelter, and it is officially open at 209 East Michigan Avenue. The Share Center is providing day shelter services, and Haven of Rest is providing overnight shelter services. The Share Center is still serving carry-out meals at their location at 120 Grove Street, and they will deliver meals to the shelter for the folks who take advantage of that opportunity there. The City of Battle Creek Community Foundation, United Way of the Battle Creek and Kalamazoo region, and others are all working on this together to make the transition happen over to this new shelter. And we appreciate everyone's help with that.
And then the last update that we have in this week's Joint Information Center is just a reminder that virtual meetings are going to continue in October for our local municipalities. This is allowed by state executive orders, and public meetings for Calhoun County municipalities will continue to be virtual throughout the month of October. You can watch on Facebook, YouTube, and Access Vision for live streams of the city meetings, especially, and different municipalities are in different places. So definitely call your municipality for more information about how they're doing their virtual meetings. I know for the city as well as the county, you can also visit our websites to learn more about our meetings and how to access them and provide public comment or just to watch them. And that's all that we have today for our Joint Information Center update. And please know that you can always sign up for these updates and receive them via email at calhouncountymi.gov. And all of this information is available on the Calhoun County and City of Battle Creek websites.